class. I am in student view of my Canvas page because I want to make sure that you're looking at the comments that I put on your assignments. Particularly, I want to make sure that you see the comments on your topic for the upcoming annotated bibliography. So I just wanted to make this quick video to show you how to see comments. All right, so if I'm a student, I'm going to show you a couple ways. So I can go into grades, and we see that I've been a pretty bad student in our class. But I did turn in my Identify Career Research topic. And so you can see it's graded, and you can see here that the teacher has made comments on it. So the easiest way to see comments here in grades, I can just click on this, and here's the comment that I made on this assignment. This is a comment on an assignment. If you want to go to the assignment itself and open up the assignment, you can see right here is the comment that I made. This is a comment on an assignment. So please make sure that you are reading the comments that I give you on assignments. If it also says view feedback, that means that I've made some annotations in the Canvas site. So also click on that view feedback tab. Thanks, class. Bye-bye.